Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making a cute card using the Christmas tags and more mix and match specialty designer series paper, along with the Greetings for You mix and match ephemera pack that are stickers, gold and white stickers, along with the Glass and Gardens embossing folder and the branching out dies. Okay, so before we get started on our project, we have to go over some buzzworthy business of the day. We have our cozy Christmas paper pumpkin kit that's going to create 9 Christmas cards with classic charm. The classic stamping spot is pecan pie, and we have the Abundant Joy add-on dies available for $12. The item number is 167855. These dies are going to coordinate with October, November, and December paper pumpkin kits, and I do have a link in the description box below to sign up for the paper pumpkin if you have not already done so. Next, we have our Stampin' Rewards program where you earn 10% on all orders $20 or more, excluding tax and shipping. Redeem your rewards on future orders. Track and save rewards in your online Stampin' Up account, and your rewards do expire after 12 months of the earning date. Lastly, we have our mystery boxes. These are the medium flat rate USPS boxes that I have stuffed with new and used retired Stampin' Up products. I'm asking just $35 for each box. Shipping is included. If you're interested, email me at stampwithshawna@gmail.com. Okay, and that is all of our buzzworthy business for today. So let's get back to our project. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start with the inside pieces here. So I'm going to have a piece of designer series paper that is 3 1/4, not 3 1/4, 3/4, and by 3 1/2. And we're going to put it on this basic white that is 3 1/2 by 4 3/4, just like that. And then we're going to put this onto some garden green, and it is 5 by 3 3/4. So we're just going to get some of our adhesive on there, our Stampin' Seal. Let's see. Let's put this on here. Like that. And then we're going to get this onto the inside of our card base. Our card base is crumb cake, and it is 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, scored at 4 1/4. And we're just gonna adhere this into our card base, like so. Okay. Next, we have some more garden green. We have one that is 3 7/8 by 2 1/2, and then one that is what is this one? 3 1/2 by 3 1/2 square. Okay, and then we're gonna layer that with some designer series paper. We have a piece that is 2 7/8 by, no, not 2, if it's 3 1/2. 3 1/2, my math, 3 3/8 by 3 3/8. And then we have a piece that I have punched out using the modern oval punch. And we also have some, this is the soft seafoam, and this is 3 3/4 by 2 3/8, and we're gonna layer that on here. So let's go ahead and do that now. No, we're not. That's what we're embossing. We can go ahead and layer this. And yeah, hate to cover up these cute little ornaments, but they don't go at my layout today. We'll use that next time. So let's go ahead and layer this onto its square, like that. Then go ahead and get out our mini stamping cut and emboss machine, and we're gonna emboss this soft seafoam piece using this folder from the Glass and Gardens embossing folder. I thought this design kind of matched with this design on our designer series paper. So we're just gonna put this through. Okay, so we have this all embossed now. Now we can layer it onto our garden green piece. I was seeing which side I liked. I think I like the other side. Now I'm going to go a little heavy on the glue because this is textured. We're just going to put that on here, center it up the best way we can. So now we're going to go ahead and get this put on our card. I'm trying to think if I want to, I think I want to do something on my card base here. So let me get, I'm going to get a dark pecan pie stamping blend. And I'm going to make some noise because I'm just going to put a little spritzing on my card base here, just so it won't be so plain. Just give it a little smacker smacker. There we go. I just want to decorate that a little bit before we add our pieces. So I'm going to go ahead and add on our layers now that we've decorated the back of our card base. So I'm putting that down kind of low. And we're going to add this piece. I want them like this. I'm gonna add that about right there. And then we're gonna add our modern oval punch piece. We're gonna add this flat. And we're adding that about right there, like that. Okay, so then I have some pieces from the designer series paper from the die cuts that came with it, and we're going to add these. I'm going to use some Stampin' Dimensionals. So I want to add our bird onto some Stampin' Dimensionals. These are just some half dimensionals that I cut in half, because you guys know I use a lot of dimensionals, so I decided to cut some of them in half. And we're going to add this on our card. But first, let me take these dimensionals. See, my fingernails are gone. Ugh. I'm so used to having them to do things. So I want to take this piece here. I'm going to have her, and I want it to be right there. Then I'm going to take this one. We're going to put it about right here. Then I have another one, not another, but I have one of those branching out die cuts in gold foil. And I think I want this one coming from the back. So I'm going to get some of our, what is this called again? Stampin' Seal. Goodness gracious. I'm just going to put it all over the back of the die cuts so that we can add this one. Like that. Do I want it coming down? Do I want it going up? Let's see. Yeah, I think I'll have it coming down like that. That is good. And we're going to put this about right there. Like that. Okay, that's cute. Then I have our sentiment. Oh, I'm missing a piece. Where's my designer series paper? I didn't get a piece out. We need this little red label here, the tag or die cut. We want to put this down right here to draw in that red. So let's get some liquid glue so we can place this down. We're going to put this right here in the middle. In the middle, Shauna. That's kind of central. Then we have a sticker from the Greetings for You ephemera pack. Here I am again trying to do it with my fingernails. Let me get my take your pick tool because I have no nails. Ugh. Well, not the ones that I use. I probably could try to get it with one of my other fingernails, but I'm not used to doing that. So we're just going to put this across the middle of that, just like that. And then the only thing we have to do is add some bling. So for the bling, I am using the traditional sparkling sequence. This is part of the Traditions of Christmas suite. And I think I will use the red. So let's get some red dots going here. Come off. Put that there. Then we'll have a medium-sized one. Maybe we'll put that one right there, just like that, and call this card done. Isn't that cute? Nice and simple, but ooh-wee. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later.